What you can also do is you can add in a gadget which lets the user search out contents in Wikipedia by staying in your blog itself. So to do that, over here in my dashboard under layout section, you can go around and add a gadget. Once you go around and scroll down, you can see that Wikipedia is an option. So if you were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it says Wikipedia. But here what I'm going to go around and say, search in Wikipedia, right here, just like this. There's not much customization option for this particular widget, but let me just go around and hit the save button. Once I do that, if I were to go around and refresh out this page, then you can see that search in Wikipedia is an option. So over here, I'm going to go around and type in blogger and hit the submit button. And you can see that it brings in the search result right over here. You don't actually get redirected out. So I'm just going to go around over here and click on blogger service. Then you get redirected onto that particular Wikipedia page right from your blog, as you can see. If I were to click on more, then I get more results over here in Wikipedia, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can add in and utilize Wikipedia Gadget inside of your blogger. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.